Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a broken nail repair and we are going to see if there is any discoloration underneath. So stay tuned please. Before we start, make sure to press on the like and subscribe button and notification bell so that way you can be notified when I upload another video like this one. The video is going really fast, but these are my essentials. Alcohol and also Bounty, which is Boulder from Aldi, because it's cheaper. And also this is how I clean my tools when I open my new products. So this is product I'm trying for the first time. It's an acrylite. It's acrylic mixed with gel or Builder gel, and as you can see, I'm very much risking my brush. I don't want to mess it up, but that's eventually what will happen if I try this again. For next time, if you're going to try something like this, do not try with your brush. Try with a wood stick, so that way you can save yourself time and money by not having to buy a new one. This is my broken nail and we're going to repair it. And as you can see right here, I am kind of filing off the product, and also it looks like a greenie, but it's not a greenie. This is a greenie. We're going to save it for another video, so stay tuned for that. And so look how bad it looks, but it's not a greenie. That's actually the paint gel from my last set that I had. I did not like that color because it did look like a greenie. But yes, let's save that for another video. The reason why I'm removing it because it looks bad. It doesn't look healthy. I do not like that color. I actually use powder gel to look to get that look, and I thought it was gonna look pretty like an R effect, and it did not give what I was trying to go for. So as you can see right now, I removed the whole entire nail. And the reason why you use these products is because you want to avoid lifting. And so in order to avoid lifting, you have to build this product very well. You have to put a nice layer of first dehydrator to dehydrate your nails, then primer. After primer, you have to use a nice layer of base gel, but I don't use base gel. What I use is I save my money and my time, and I use as a base, I use construction gel. Yes, it's the best. I do, no matter if the product is acrylite and hemma free, I still protect my fingers and I try my best not to let the product touch my skin layer, the corners of my skin, or I try my best to keep the product in my nail beds, not in my corners of my cuticle area or my skin. I try my best not to have contact with any product whatsoever. And if I do, like right here, because this product is a little bit hard, the acrylite, what I do is I clean the wood stick, I wipe it again, and then I clean my skin with alcohol and Boulder, which is the Bounty, which is the paper tissue, because it's really strong. And I do not continue to reuse it unless I know that it's dry and clean. I keep flipping it so I can get the most life out of that product, because I do not want to have allergic reactions. And so that's why I constantly clean my fingers and my skin. And so you will see this throughout the entire video, how I try my best to avoid allergic reactions and contact dermatitis. I really I'm an advocate for this because I suffer from it, and so I don't want you to continue to suffer from it. So if there's anything that you can take from this video, is the essentials that I use to avoid allergic reactions, and how I keep my fingers clean and nice and neat throughout the whole video, and I try to continue to clean it and remove the product and the powder. So as you can see right now, the reason why I am cutting and using a file continuously and trying to remove the product is because I do not want this product to stay looking bulky. I do not want the nail to have a bulky look once I am done with the nail. And so that's the reason why you have to file underneath, and also in the corners of your cuticle area. You have to clean up very well with the flame bit or any bit that you think is best. Some people use a file for the corners of their cuticle area, but as you can tell, it will be a little bit painful, especially for me. I don't have that much experience. I mean, I do for years, but yes, I don't use I just use a flame bit. That's the best thing that I can use. And so right now what I'm doing is I am rebuilding my nail, because as you can see, I did remove the entire product of my nail, and maybe I left at 10%, which you're not supposed to do that because it's very close to your nail bed. And so I use the cuticle bits, and I remove my nail. And as you can see right now, I cut the video because I am keep cutting. But as you can see, what I'm doing right now is I go back with the file, because I'm trying to have my nails as clean as possible and as neat as possible, and I don't want them to look very bulky. And you will see at the end of the video that I go underneath of my nails and I go ahead and remove the product, because of the bulky issue. I don't want it to look too big or too thick because it's a short nail. You do not need a big apex either. And so the video is almost over. It's about to cut off. I don't want it to, but I cut it too much. So right now, since I did not like the last nail with the discoloration, the green, which gives like discoloration look. And look, I really did not like that set. I removed it. I hated it. It was not for me enough for that day. And so I went ahead, removed it, did another set, and I loved it. It was cat eye, pearl, chrome, and lots going on, and I loved it. If you would like to see this set that I was still receiving nice compliments 3 weeks later, please let me know so I will do it again for you. That beautiful mermaid. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. Frozen blue nails. Bye.